Low transmission fluid can lead to serious issues in your vehicle's transmission system. Transmission fluid serves to lubricate moving parts, cool the transmission, and provide hydraulic power for shifting gears. These three functions are crucial for smooth operation of the transmission. A low fluid level is typically caused by leaks, evaporation, or neglected maintenance. Common causes include leaks in seals or gaskets, evaporation from high temperatures, and neglected maintenance schedules. This results in inadequate lubrication, cooling, and pressure, which can cause a variety of transmission problems. Understanding and maintaining proper fluid levels is essential for transmission health. Delayed shifts manifest as a hesitation or lag when the transmission changes gears. You might notice a pause between shifts or the engine revving up before the next gear engages. This is due to low fluid viscosity or pressure delaying the hydraulic actuation of the gears. This symptom may indicate the need for service. In a 2025 survey by Car and Driver, 15% of Ford F-150 owners experienced slipping transmissions in hot climates, attributed to fluid evaporation. Low transmission fluid can cause the transmission to overheat. Common signs include a burning smell emanating from the engine compartment, a temperature warning light illuminating on the dashboard, or even visible steam. Overheating accelerates fluid breakdown and degradation, creating a cycle of worsening problems. Overheating can degrade fluid in under 10 minutes of heavy load, so act fast. These symptoms stem from inadequate hydraulic pressure within the transmission system. Normal fluid levels ensure smooth operation, while low levels trigger compensatory behaviors in the transmission control module, TCM, which can sometimes mask the issues until failure becomes imminent. Inadequate fluid reduces its capacity to effectively lubricate, cool, and transmit power. Always use the proper transmission fluid type. Experts emphasize the importance of regular transmission fluid checks to prevent costly repairs. Transmission specialist Steve Garrett warns that low fluid is the silent killer of transmissions. AAA's automotive expert John Nielsen recommends checking transmission fluid during every oil change to catch issues early. Statistics reveal the significant impact of low transmission fluid. According to a recent analysis, 30% of U.S. transmission failures are caused by low or degraded fluid, highlighting the need for proactive maintenance. Regularly check your transmission fluid level using the dipstick if your vehicle is equipped with one. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the recommended fluid type and service intervals, generally between 30,000 and 60,000 miles. Watch for any signs of leaks under your vehicle. Consider using synthetic transmission fluid for better heat resistance and longevity. Predictive maintenance apps are now available to help monitor fluid levels and predict depletion. The rise of electric vehicles is gradually reducing reliance on traditional transmissions. For internal combustion engine vehicles, fluid monitoring is integrating with AI-driven predictive maintenance. By 2035, smart transmissions with self-healing fluids could minimize low fluid issues. In the meantime, being proactive about maintenance and fluid checks remains critical.